Hello guys, welcome to my channel House of Investments. So the Q2 results for Zensar Technologies is out, and let's see how the results are. And before that, let's see how the stock has performed over the last few days. If you look at the 1 week return of Zensar Technologies, the stock has dipped by around 11%. And if you look at the last 1 month, is again, the stock price has dipped by close to 11%. But if you go take a look at last 1 year return, the stock has given a humongous return of 135%. So let's see. I mean, obviously, in the last few months, the IT stocks were doing well since the companies across industries are investing heavily on digitization. That is one of the prime reason why the IT sector is booming at the moment. But let's take a look at the Q2 numbers for Zensar Technologies. Yeah, so this is the fact sheet, and you can go to their website under the investor section of zensartechnologies.com. You'll find this particular income statement. So this is the fact sheet for Q2 FY 2022, and on the top, if you look at, and all the figures that you will get here are in INR millions. So the Q2 for FY22, the operating revenue is 10 10,506, and it has increased from FY22 Q1 FY22. And if you look at the gross profit, it's a flat figure. If you compare this with the F1 FY22, the figures are almost similar. And if we compare this with the Q1 Q2 FY21, the numbers are almost similar, no significant rise over there. Whereas in the last quarter, there was a significant rise of around 400 from 400 in Q1 FY 2022. And if you look at, let's go to the final, the most important thing, which is profit after tax. Profit after tax numbers have decreased. This is at 944, and it has decreased by around 600 if I compare this with Q1 FY22. And again, if we compare the figure with Q2 FY21, the figures were 878, and the figures have slightly increased if we compare this with the Q2 FY21. But if we compare with Q1 FY22, obviously there has been a drop of close to 60. So today we can expect at least 2-3% correction in the price, but the stock is fundamentally good, and it had a good run over the last few months. So people who are having a long term view in their mind, they can hold the stock. But if your time horizon is short term, you can go ahead and sell the stock. Thanks for watching.